How much?
50,000 has been awarded.
50,000.
Yes, your lordship.
What do you do?
Lord, the petitioner has not been in job. He has been unemployed since 2018.
Then what work you did?
Whereas, my lord, the wife earns
How?
a handsome 50,000 per month almost.
How?
She works at the Axis Bank. As far as the
Have you
if you
proved it? Have you proved it?
lordship,
She's working.
may I request your lordship
Admitted position, she works.
Yeah.
Any child?
to a female child?
Lives with the mother? Lives with the mother?
Yes, your lordship.
What is girl?
5 or 6 years presently. 7 years.
9 years.
9 years.
Rizal Lamars. Admission fees.
Marriage subsisting?
Marriage.
Yes, your lordship.
suddenly
Divorce
the-
proceeding is pending as well.
Divorce proceeding already.
Oh,
started.
divorce. This is out of divorce proceeding?
Yes, your lordship.
Initiated by your client.
No, my client. My
I
client.
am for the husband, your lordship.
Divorce proceeding, আমরা করি।
Divorce proceeding was initiated by the wife.
Are you objecting to that divorce?
Yes, your lordship. We have filed.
Lordship, I am Lordship, because the divorce proceeding has been started because the cruelty, Lordship, because
So the wife doesn't want to stay with them.
no, because Lordship, after lodging a
So
diary,
it
the
is now that both of you are in earning hand.
earning hand maybe, but
Earning hand. Therefore, the issue regarding the maintenance of the child first.
Yes, your lordship.
yes.
You know the law in this field.
Yes, your lordship.
You have to share the proportionately to the
Yes,
maintenance
hello.
of the child.
Yes.
Now the question comes regarding the entitlement of the wife to get some maintenance.
Yes, your lordship.
The learned trial judge has given both of them.
Yes, your lordship. Towards,
Show me the income of the wife.
I do not have any document with regard to that.
Are you
As your
admitting
lordship-
that?
Lordship's,
This is admitted.
yes, it is admitted because
Admitted.
you kindly come to the second page of the judgment, our designation of the deputy manager, because the learned judge, everything says the deputy manager at
Well,
State Bank Limited and current salary is 50,000 per month. Lordship's got কেসটা তো এখানে নেই।
Finding of the learned trial judge is 70,000.
No, the prayer was for 70,000, not finding.
Oh, praise for 70,000.
Yes, your lordship.
The finding of the income
50,000.
regarding the husband.
No, that was the point I was trying to submit.
Only one. There no finding regarding the income.
No, because your lordship, on a particular date when the matter was taken up, kindly, my lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 55, my lord, on a particular date, which is 5th of January,
What
2024.
happened on that date?
My lord, the husband prayed for a time to file affidavits of assets and liabilities, whereas that was rejected, my lord, by the
As up
trial court.
to following
The,
Supreme
the
Court.
husband, no, your lordship, the husband lives in Maharashtra, my lord. There was some kind of communication gap for
What
which
do you do?
that
What is actually what is your job? What do you do
But
actually?
he earned well, my lord, before the COVID period. But my lord, during that time, my lord, he lost his job. He has been suffering from various illnesses, like the cirrhosis of liver, as well as some kind of burn injury that was inflicted on him. That was an accident. But these are the real circumstances under which the husband has been living, my lord. He is in no capacity.
So you are earning 50,000.
Yes, your lordship.
Your client.
Yes. But
the-
my client's husband earning more than 40 lakhs per annum, more than, because it is
No,
there.
they did not
So Lordship,
have any
Where is the proof of that?
the proof, Lordship, is because the affidavit of service has been filed, affidavit of disclosure, and in spite of the repeated, because the Lordship knows that
You file
he
your
didn't file.
Yes, your lordship.
income tax return for last 3 financial years.
All right, your lordship.
You file it. First of all,
No,
tell me.
I did not file.
No, you file it before me.
All right.
Lordship,
Before your lordship.
because
Before your lordship.
Lordship,
I
the
will.
court has passed this order, Lordship, but following the guidelines of the Rajneesh and Neta, Lordship, you know, Lordship, because guidelines, Lordship, is very specific, because since 21st December 2018, Lordship, the affidavit of
You want to
disclosure.
get out of this relationship?
Yes,
You
pardon?
want to get out of this relationship?
Yes. Out of relationship, because why? Because I'm,
Whatever, you need not justify.
Lordship,
You
that's-
want that I do not want to live with that man. Sufficient.
yes.
Sufficient.
No, no,
I
sufficient,
don't
but
know,
why?
I
Lordship?
don't know why you are insisting upon to get back. She is not in the mood to come back. So come with the consult your client,
So, Lordship.
settle the issue regarding maintenance of your daughter. Are you in access with your daughter?
No, your Lordship.
When
I
you
have been
last met,
constantly restrained
when you last met your daughter,
a few years back, my lord.
what did you
I do not have, although I do not have
any
specific
post order
instruction.
there? Any 125? Any other order
No.
is there anywhere?
No, no.
Wait. In these years, have you sent any money to your daughter?
Yes,
What amount
I
you
did.
have sold?
I do not have instruction on that as
Yes.
well.
Take instruction. How
Lordship,
much?
I
he
know,
sent.
I know everything.
How
Because
much
the 5,000s only, because 5,000, sometimes 10,000s, and 20,
Age of the
2021.
child is?
Yes, pardon?
Age of the child is 5 years.
9 years.
9 years.
They are submitting.
9 years.
9 years. He says the 5 years.
You
Lordship,
don't have any responsibility
Yes,
towards your child.
I do, your lordship, I do. But your lordship, kindly consider the circumstance under which the petitioner
What is the admission fee of the child of this year?
Lordship's admission fee is more than 135, 133, not 5, 133. per annum, the Lama,
1,33,000.
Yes, and Lordship's
that
because
money. Come with that money.
I do not have that much of capacity, your lordship.
Lordship,
It is true circumstance. Your lordship
Ask your
directed me.
client-
Yes.
Ask your client to meet the educational expenses of the daughter first. Then you decide whether you will be getting back the wife or they will go back to
আমি
you.
বলছি দেন Lordship's only Lordship because it is, I think, my learned friends, I certainly, Lordship, do not want to disturb my learned friend, but my learned friend's clients, Lordship, resides where? They kindly see the cost titles. The Lordship's, the Mumbai Lordship's where the Royal Challenge, Royal Classic building, Lordship's, their rent is 51,000, and Google provides that information, then 85,000 rent. He's paying the rent 85,000 till date.
The mother of the
85,000.
petitioner supports him.
And he, Lordship, the Lordship,
He was earning well, my lord.
if
He
you-
was earning well. That is not
No,
denied.
counsel, you have to understand. Your client has a own house in Kolkata.
Joint house,
Where?
ancestral house,
Where?
somewhere in southern
Baliganj,
Kolkata.
Baliganj.
Southern Kolkata.
Now, who are they else they are in your family?
Mother as well as sister.
Sister.
Yes.
Married or unmarried sister?
I do not know.
Married.
Married person.
Married.
Married sister. So, what did your father is alive?
No,
No.
died.
What was he?
That I have no instruction on that as well.
Are you aware of that? What was the father-in-law?
So
Father-in-law is
small
the
house,
dead.
your lordship.
Father-in-law,
Not like the houses being possessed by the opposite party.
father-in-law is no more. The mother-in-law, Lordship's,
What was he?
he is a businessman. He's a businessman.
Is the family business of the husband?
Lordship's, who?
Others, husband's family
The
business.
husband family business, I do not know because কোনো আছে? No business.
He has hailed from a business family, or his father was a service holder? Father-in-law.
Father was a businessman. Businessman. But,
Where the house is?
House is-
Southern Avenue.
no, Baliganj. কোথায়? অজয়নগর। অজয়নগর। অজয়নগর কোথায় এটা? যাদবপুর, তাই তো বলছি। যাদবপুর, অজয়, বাগাজু।
They have got one brother and one sister.
One brother and one sister. And he Lordship's, he is working the Ipsosis. Where the
He is
Lordship's-
working.
No,
Do you know?
No, very well. Maybe you have left your job for any other reason.
I was forced to leave.
Lordship's,
my lord.
Lordship's,
That was that happened under a particular circumstances. The mother of the opposite party sent a letter to the CEO of that company regarding the disputes between the parties. Now that, my lord, resulted in
till date, Lordship's,
his
from the Google, Lordship's, I
termination,
think
my lord.
LinkedIn, I think he is working. You see?
Mr. Counsel, You have got your own house in Mumbai?
Not own house, it's a rented accommodation that is being supported by the mother of the petitioner, your lordship.
Mother does what mother does?
I do not have exact information. Let me, your lordship, if your lordship kindly allows me to come
Wait,
up
wait.
with the,
Very well. If you have you have a place like Link Road near Infinity Mall in Bombay, so must have some resource.
some savings is there, of course. That is
Some-
why the petitioner
Lordship, kindly see the,
agrees to provide maintenance towards his daughter.
kindly see the rent, my lords, because I
No,
explained it. Because
Link Road, everyone
80,
knows.
sorry,
Infinity
Lordship,
Mall.
65,000 person is paying the rent
Look here,
per month,
Yes.
one thing. This
and he's not paying the 5,000.
it is
His daughter.
you have challenged but you did not get an opportunity to produce your income
Yes,
before
your
the
lordship.
trial judge.
Yes.
Obviously, you are indicating towards a remand, enabling you to prove your income.
Yes, your lordship.
But since the wife is looking for a dissolution of marriage, think from that angle. Get a decent end of the everything. First of all, you come with your last 3 financial years income tax return, and with the proposal how this can be resolved.
Proposal in written form or
No, you get instruction.
all right.
Lordships, only lordships,
Get
because
instruction
lordships,
so that they can resolve their marriages, and also the child's future can be secured. Without this fight between father and mother, ultimately child will be affected. You know very well.
Yes, your lordship.
The resultant at the receiving end is the child.
Reaches nowhere. I mean,
lordships only lordships, because certainly it is the discretion of the court, certainly court. But lordships, lordships that repeatedly failure, the affidavit of service, the affidavit of disclosure, the liability, on not only to one occasions, because the court says
I have not applied my mind. I know that where are the places. You know that I know that where are the places to catch.
lordships.
Let him disclose first his own income. His own income. 50,000 of your client's income. It is an admitted.
It is
position.
admitted because
Asshole.
it is, I admit it.
The revisional application requires further consideration. The petitioner husband is directed to file his income tax returns for last
Bank statement দিতে বলছে তো।
three financial years on the next date of hearing.
Bank statement to give
Lordship, bank statement also.
bank statement.
Otherwise, because
কবে দেবো বলুন? Income tax return, and if you has the computation in support of that return, bring that also. 7th August.
7th.
যা, এটা দাও, দিয়ে করে দিবি। Please.
Lordship,